Hey there, I just want to do a quick review on this vacuum hose reel that I picked up. This is made by Coxreels, and I believe it's made in the USA as well. This is made out of steel. It's really high quality. I was really looking around for a hose reel for the shop, and I think this has got a 20-foot hose on it. It's either 20 or 25 foot, but it's long enough that it reaches to anywhere in my entire workshop. This is about the center of my workshop, so equidistant from that wall over there, and this one here. This is my main workspace. Probably I use it the most on my table saw, which is situated here, and then eventually I'm going to have some counter space over here that I'll use it on, but I sometimes take it over to that side of the shop too to vacuum some stuff off. So this is actually hooked up to my dust collection system. My dust collector has high static pressure, so I'm able to use this, but you could also use this on a shop vac as well. And my dust collector is in a closet here. I'd recommend too, if you had something like this, it'd be nice to keep your shop vac because they're pretty loud in another room or in a closet somewhere, and then maybe just have a switched outlet or something like that, or remote control so you can control it. And so I can turn mine on, you can kind of see. I can also hook this up to any of my tools that I'm using, sander, things like that, or my track saw, and this pulls all the dust right out of there, just like having a dust extractor or a dedicated shop vac as well. So this is really high quality in addition to the reel, which is I compared this to a lot of others. There's a lot of plastic on them, and for the price that you had to pay for the others, this was really something that I wanted. I wanted higher quality, something that if I'm reeling this in and out, that I'm not having issues and it's enjoyable to use. You can also adjust the tension here on the pressure for holding it up. It came with this piece right here. It comes with a lot of extensions. These pieces here that hook up to different types of tools, different brands. I think there's like 5 or 6 of these different. There's some wands, a vacuum wand. There's a bunch of attachments as well. I just looked this up. It's going for $375, which is kind of crazy for a hose reel. I'm pretty sure I got this either on eBay or Amazon open box, probably for under $200, I think. So I had my eye on it for a long time, probably a couple years. Really didn't want to spend the money. Found a really good deal and went and picked it up. It's really nice quality. I'm glad I have it. Don't know if I would spend $375 on it, but if you had that money, I guess maybe it's worth it. I mean, this is really high quality. I get really good vacuum out of it, and yeah, there isn't much more I want to say about it. It's a great hose reel, and so yeah, if you're looking to pick it up, I would definitely recommend it, especially if you can get a good deal on it. So if anybody else is using this or they have some others that they also think are good quality, please leave those in the comments section. Thanks.